Hello beautiful people, my name is Bridget and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an awesome day, and today we're back with the weird lighting situation because you guys really liked my last clothing haul, even though I'm like real insecure about myself physically, but I did a clothing haul from Rose Gal and you guys really liked it. So today we're doing another clothing haul from DressLily. DressLily is another affordable clothing site, so today we're going to talk about DressLily clothes. I have a whole big bag here. We're going to try these on and hopefully I like some of this stuff because your girl is cheap and this was cheap, and if it works out, like, we could be friends and stuff. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so I don't remember exactly what I bought. I know about like half this stuff should be black because I can wear it with anything. I can wear it to work, but let's go ahead and get started with the first thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and just try these on and then we'll talk about them because I'm probably not gonna remember what a lot of these things are. Like this. Oh, it's like a pinup dress. Yeah, I remember this. Alright, I'm gonna try this on. Alright, so this is the first thing. Also, I'm not wearing any eye makeup, or I just kind of look like crap today. It's all about the clothes, not my face. But this is the first thing. I feel like it kind of accentuates my armpit fat a little bit. And I do have a regular bra on with it, so you can kind of see it through here. I kind of wish it just scooped down like this and didn't have this pink right here. But overall, the dress is pretty cute. It fits me fine. I don't know if the back is like super flattering, but it's not terrible. This is the first thing. It has a nice material. It's very thin material. Has like some stretch to it. I actually think I like this. But I don't know if I'd wear it all the time just because I feel like the top fit is a little bit weird. But like overall, it's not terrible looking. So this is the first thing. Alright, so this is the next thing. Now how I feel about it. It hugs like my stomach and hip area, like it's hugging right here, and I don't like that. But it's not super unflattering anyways. The top of it right here is just super loose. So if I wasn't wearing a bra, you'd see like total boobage right now, and I don't like that. Maybe I could just tighten up the back straps because they are adjustable and it'd be okay. But overall, this one's okay. I don't know if I'd wear it out just because I feel like you see so much of this area of me that looks unflattering. But like the fit isn't terrible. I'd wear this around the house. That's what I think I'd do with it. I think I would just tighten up the straps, take my bra off, and wear it around the house. But this is the next thing. It's not terrible. The material is like there's a layer under here. Like there's an extra layer. And then you have the blue over it. So it doesn't feel super thin. It doesn't feel too terrible. It's a little rubby kind of material. It's not quite like tablecloth, but it's not quite not. It's kind of vinyl-y, I guess. But this is the next thing. Alright, so this is the next thing. This is like a mesh. So you can see the bottom. It gets lighter because there's like a lining, but this is just like a fish netty material. I think the bottom of it's really cute. The top of it just does not fit right. I don't know what it is about like the clothes in this haul so far. The top of it just looks kind of weird. Like the top is really loose and I can't like adjust this strappy thing. But like it looks okay. Buttons down there don't look okay. I kind of like the material. The material is really cool. The fabric feels fun and I like the material. It's just the top of it makes me want to go like this the whole time because it's just so loose up here and I don't know what to do about it. Even if I pull it back, I just feel like the top of it doesn't look flattering. But I don't hate it. So this is the next thing. I really like the material. I just wish the top fit a little bit better. Alright, this is the next thing. This is one I was really excited about because it has like this skirt, which is like, I don't know, it has a nice flow to it. I do think it's a little big. I do think like this is pretty loose and maybe the waist could be a little bit like higher up, a little bit smaller. But like I don't dislike it. I do wish this was like a little bit higher of a waist. Even if I just do this, it's like a lot of material up here. So I don't hate this one. I just feel like it fits a little bit funny around the waist area. Other than that though, even if the top is a little bit looser, I don't mind it. I think it looks okay. You guys can let me know what you think of this one. I think this is my favorite one so far just because it is so easy to wear and I don't have to worry about the top like slooping down or anything. So yeah, this is this one. I don't hate it. I like the pattern. I think it's really cute. Alright, this is the next thing. So it is a dinosaur dress. This is the first one where I'm like about the material. This bottom half, the dinosaur print, this is straight up like stiff gonna wrinkle tablecloth material. The top of it feels very nice, and it's like a stretchy kind of silky material, but the bottom is just like tablecloth. No lining, it is just straight like a tablecloth. I like the pattern. I think the fit is okay. I don't think it's the super most flattering thing in the world, but like, it'd be cute if it just had a better material on the bottom that's not gonna be wrinkly, and every time you move it's gonna make a noise. So this is this. I don't feel like the butt's that flattering too, but I can kind of get over it. The fit's fine, like everything fits perfectly fine, like the size is great. It's just the bottom is so tableclothy, and like it's gonna make a noise when you walk, and it's gonna wrinkle no matter what. So that's a little bit of an issue for me, but overall, the look of it for like pictures and aesthetics is real cute. All right, so living my best life right now. This is the next thing. First of all, the material is very soft. It's got big sleeves, which I love. I'm not the biggest fan in the world of these tassel-y things. Like, I'm gonna tie them up, of course, and tie them so they're not draped everywhere. I like the, like, I guess, what do you call these little bucklies things everywhere. I like them. I like that the skirt has the little flares at the bottom, like the different little pieces. I like the fit. It hugs me right here, which is very nice and fitting. The straps are a little bit loose up top, but they are adjustable, so I can tighten them to make it like the perfect fit. I am living my best freaking life right now. I mean, when I did the last video, a couple of you guys were like surprised that I liked like the more gothic-y one a little bit more. But like, it's the life I've always wanted to live, and I never could, like growing up or anything. And even as an adult, like in North Carolina, everyone's really judgy, so like if you look like this, people are gonna judge you. But in Florida, no one cares. Like, just live my best wearing black all the time life, and no one's gonna care. No one cares about what you do here. It's great. So it's the kind of life I want to live. I'm changing everything in my house to black currently, and feel really good about it. So this is this one. It's my favorite so far, and the material does feel really soft. So yay for this one, yay. So this is the next thing. I was really excited about that because it's space kittens and space cats and stuff, like with the pattern of like kitty cats in space, and that's like everything, but it's huge. I was thinking it would be like the other one where it was like a little bit tighter on the stomach, but like this one has a little tighter on the stomach. It doesn't bother me. Like the fit on the back is everything is okay. It's just huge. It's huge. It's huge. Even if I adjust like the straps and pull it up like this, there's like a lot of like in the back here, and I don't like that. I mean, I could always like tuck it into my bra to get rid of the extra fabric, and I might, well, there's a zipper on this side. I can't really do it to this side. And kind of tuck it into my bra to get rid of the extra fabric showing up there, and then tighten the straps and everything, but still it's gonna be like a little bit too loose in the top and a little bit iffy. So another one I'm probably gonna have to wear on the house, but it's just so baggy right here. Like, this is a lot of bagginess. It makes me really uncomfortable. So I love the space kitten theme. I think that's great. I think the pattern's super cute. I love the dark purple color and the space cats. It's just really big. All right, this is the next one. It's a pretty good length. It's over my knee, so it's pretty decently long. This is the same pattern as the one that had like a black top and like a little bit like a tying in the middle, and then it was this pattern on the bottom. I don't dislike this one. I do wish the straps were adjustable because they are just kind of big. If they would be pulled back and not that loose, I think I can get over a little bit of armpit fat. I can kind of just do this with it so you don't see it too much. And then I think this would be a really cute dress. Maybe I could like pin back the straps a little bit, make them a little bit taller like this, and they'd stay like this and be fine, because if they go down like this, that's not cute. But overall, this material feels really good. It has like some stretch to it, and it feels like real material. It doesn't feel cheap or anything. It feels really nice. I like the buttons down the center of this one. I think it's cute. This is the back of it. This one's cute. I think I'm gonna wear this one like decently, because I'm like, I don't like the armpit fat, but if I pull this up and then cover that, this looks okay. Like this right here, kind of cute. So I'm into this one. This one's not bad at all. All right, my camera died. Let's do this over again. So this is the next one. It's like a moon velvety kind of dress. It comes with this choker too. I tighten as much as I can, but it's still really loose on me. The lace on the bottom is really cute. On this bottom piece is like really nice lace. On the top, it looks really disheveled. Like, I think I would have to cut out this lace because it's just not, it looks pretty ragged. I like the velvety material. It kind of reminds me of like a nightie a little bit. It is right above the knee, so it's a cute, really like flirty length. I do sort of feel like I'm wearing a nightgown kind of thing just because velvet moons with lace and stuff. It does automatically tie in the front. I'm going to unloop it and like tie it in the back if I'm going to wear it out, just because I feel like the front bow is just a weird thing to do. The back fit is really cute as well. It covers my butt fine. Yeah, the choker is just really big and loose. I do like this. I like the sleeves on it, but this is very hot because it's a very velvety material. Like a very velvety material. It's very hot in this outfit. So be aware of that, but this is really cute. Like, I would wear this out. I mean, it has to be like maybe like a late night movie I'd go see this. I wouldn't go wear this in like the middle of the day, maybe. It's like a nice a casual night in, maybe. I don't know if I'd wear this out, but I want to wear it out because it's cute, but I don't know. Let's go on to the other thing that the camera didn't record. Alright, so for the grand finale, we have the cutest dress I've ever seen in my life, and I don't even wear white. So we have an above the knee, like right at the knee length, and a little bit of flare. It hugs me perfectly right here. Like, this fits me like a freaking glove, alright? Like a good glove. Like, not like an OJ glove, like a real fitting glove. This is just, I'm living for this little moment with my actual sides showing and not being too bad looking. The little buttons are cute. I love this neckline with the little collar-y thing. This is very elegant, very pretty. It's a little bit hard to zip up all the way by yourself. The back looks fine, like it's cute. Like it's cute. The material is slightly like a scratchy, cheap feeling, but it also has like a good stretch to it at the same time, so it's not bad. The arms are a little bit tight as well, so I feel like if you don't pull them up in the ditch of your arm, you're gonna be sweating. But I feel cute as hell in this. Like, this fit right here. I love a vintagey inspired outfit. Catch me on my next date wearing this. It's so cute. It's so cute. If I wear a good bra. This is my favorite dress I own, I think, now. And I need it in every color. Can we get it in a baby pink? Can we get this in a yellow? I need this in every color except orange. So anyways, that is it for the DressLily haul. This is by far my favorite thing. I really like it. I also really like that black with the tassel-y things. Look at this. Look at this. It makes me feel really good about myself. Like, I hate my body. I hate how I look. Like, I have really bad self-image, and we're all tired of hearing about it. But this right here makes me feel really good. Like, it hides any stomach fat I have. It hides that. It does not enhance my butt to make it look too big. It sucks in my arms to make my arms feel thinner. This neckline is really cute and flattering as well. And then, I don't know, I'm living my best life in this one. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I'll leave all of the outfits that I tried on in today's video linked down below for you in case you want to check them out for yourself. Having a good time in this one. I don't know, I don't want to take it off now. Alright, bye guys.